Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about exit function, part of programming in C course. The exit function in C is a standard library function that terminates the program. It takes an integer argument, which is the status code that is returned to the operating system. A status code of 0 typically indicates successful execution, while a non-zero status code indicates an error. Here is an example of using the exit function. In this example, the program prompts the user to enter a number. If the number is less than 0, the program prints an error message and then exits the program using the exit function. The status code passed to the exit function is 1, indicating an error. If the user enters a non-negative number, the program prints the number and exits normally with a status code of 0. The exit function is different from the return statement. While the return statement is used to exit a function and return a value to the calling function, the exit function is used to exit the entire program. Another function, underscore exit, that is similar to exit, but it does not call any functions registered with at exit or any functions that were previously registered with on exit. Underscore exit function is more efficient than normal exit function when you need to exit the program without performing any cleanup. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.